Milk frother, electric milk frother and steamer, large capacity 4-in-1 automatic foam maker for hot and cold milk foam, stainless steel coffee frother for cappuccino, latte, hot chocolate, 120 volts 4-in-1 function. The newest milk frother can create warm dense milk froth, warm airy milk froth, cold milk froth, and warm milk, whichever you like. In only 1 to 2 minutes, you can savor delicious morning coffee topped with a luxurious layer of foam at home, even during rushed weekdays. Large capacity turns up to 5 ounces, 150 milliliters, milk into a rich, silky foam, enough for your whole family to enjoy barista-style cappuccinos, lattes, iced coffees, and more. Warms a maximum of 10 ounces, 300 milliliters, milk to make various milk-based coffees such as hot chocolates, flat whites, mochas, or bedtime drinks. Whole milk, fat content 3%, is recommended for ideal milk froth. Easy to clean. The high-quality, food-grade stainless steel jug with non-stick coating enables you to effortlessly clean the interior in seconds. The removable frothing paddle is also quick and easy to clean under running water. Quiet operation and safety insurance. No more annoying noise when operating via the latest self-developed motor. Contains an automatic switch off when the foam is ready, thanks to strict temperature controls, and boasts heat-resistant PP housing that prevents scalding and protects the jug. ETL certified for added safety and compatible with 120 volts 100% satisfaction. If you have any quality problems within 3 years, you can reach out to us at any time for after-sales services. Please rest assured that we will always stand behind our products and do our best to support you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.